Welcome to another edition of Toolbox Tuesday. Today we're going to feature this product called the CapN Hook, or CapN Hook, made by Uniweld. And it's a cool little brazing tip that we can use to kind of help us reach some of those hard to reach areas, especially if you have a condenser unit that's up against a wall or so. You want to make sure that the tip that you have fits your application. These come in different sizes, so you want to make sure that this tip can fit onto your torch set. Also, whenever you braze, you want to make sure you properly prepare the copper. So you want to sand it and make sure you've got your fittings and connections nice. And always want to make sure you have some type of safety. Make sure you have your eye protection on, make sure you have gloves, make sure you have a bucket of water or something nearby, just in case something does happen. A cool little tool, and let's go ahead and braze this joint so you can kind of see how this CapN Hook kind of works. So we got our rig all set up here. We'll get ready to light her up. Okay, so once you light your CapN Hook and you get it all set to go, you'll notice how it makes a little ring of fire, if you will, when you get ready to braze there. And just as usual, those inner points of the cone, the light blue, that's the hardest part of that flame. So all we want to do is, just like we're brazing normally, take our joint, grab our silphos, and we're just going to put that right around that particular joint and get ready to heat that as if we were regular brazing. The cool part about this is, as it gets hot, it's going to just take our flame and it's going to take our silphos and it's just going to pull our silphos right around that whole joint. And the cool part is it's pretty forgiving as far as your heat goes. Once you get your hook all, get ready to heat your copper, you can just kind of hold it in one place. Copper will start to turn red there. Once it gets ready, all you do is just touch it, and that silphos will just take all the way around, go all the way around our joint. It'll just suck our silphos right in there, and that's done. And if you were to go all the way around, that joint sealed completely around it, just pull that solder or that silphos right into our deal. As always, you take a little water, spray that off, wipe our pipe down there, and then get ready to check our joints for leaks. But there's your CapN Hook brazing tip. Pretty cool little tool to use in tight and hard to reach spaces, made by Uniweld. Thanks for tuning in to another Toolbox Tuesday.